My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, bad bitches of the world? Welcome to my channel. If you are new, thanks for joining me. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. If you have been around for a minute, what's up, fam? Good to see you again. So today's video, I'm just going to be unboxing two different, completely unrelated subscription boxes. The first being my Ipsy Plus, and the second being my Allure beauty box. So I almost completely forgot about my Ipsy Plus. It's usually the first box I get, but it was the last box I got this month. So yeah, Ipsy Plus is $25 a month and Allure is $15. Let's just start with Allure. How about that? First is this Victor & Rolf Flower Bomb. So I have definitely tried this before. It's not like my absolute favorite smelling perfume, but so some of the notes are patchouli, musk, and florals. Yeah. So price is $115 for 1.7 ounces. This is 0.24 ounces. Let me see what it looks like. Oh, what a cute little bottle. That's the one thing I hate about like little mini perfumes like that. There's no spray. But actually, I think I'm gonna order some atomizers so I can get use of perfumes that I have that are like this. Next is this Thrive Cosmetics Lip Filler Long-Wearing Plumping Lip Liner. Okay, semi-permanent micropigment technology. So price is $20. So there are two colors you could get. You could get khaki or Valencia. I got khaki, which is like a mocha. I guess that could go well with some like nude lipsticks, because I'm not the biggest fan of like lipsticks with browns in them, but maybe with a darker color. It's definitely very creamy. So it says the khaki shade, a top color that blends seamlessly under brown lipstick, and Valencia, a bright magenta with Nicki Minaj vibes. That is so much more me, the second one. Alright, next is this Eva NYC Maine Magic 10-in-1 Primer. So, I deliver 10 benefits in one miracle potion to simplify your styling routine. I detangle, reduce frizz, strengthen, soften, cut drying time, add shine, nourish, smooth, and protect against thermal and UV damage. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, I will definitely use that. So full size retails for $12, and this is 1 fluid ounce. Next, we have The Way by Jean Co. Balance, Hydrating, and Calming Serum. Made with hyaluronic acid and potassium sorbate, this gel-like serum is perfect for my oily skin. Well, great, I have dry skin. Apply a thin layer after cleansing. Use morning and night. Okay. So it says price is $15. This is 1 fluid ounce as well. I think I have tried something by this brand before. I want to say I got it from Ipsy and it was like some sort of oil. It's very hydrating for a product that works for someone who has oily skin. So I definitely think it would work if you have dry skin as well, because that's super hydrating. Next we have this Dr. Jar Insis Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. So I've actually gotten this before and I really think it's a good product. I always forget to use it though. So this cream is meant to work as a tinted moisturizer, color corrector, and sunscreen all rolled into one. So, the green fades into a beige that blends into your complexion. So price for full size is $52. This is 0.16 ounces. So it says neutralizes redness and protects skin, improves skin appearance to be vibrant, and in broad spectrum SPF 30. But yeah, I don't want to show you because I already have one. I don't want to use this one because I will be putting this in a giveaway. Next we have this Akar Skin Balance Toning Mist. Okay. Tibetan inspired beauty. This fine non-sticky toner of rose and orange blossoms sets gently into skin to provide hydration. Balance enables greater absorption of nutrients by lowering skin surface tension. Formulated to strengthen the acid mantle layer by restoring pH to optimum level and keeping environmental pathogens out. So full size is $55. This is 1 ounce. So yeah, I like that it's a mist too. I like toners that you can just mist on. I will use toners right after I completed like washing my face and removing all my makeup, and before any of my serums and moisturizers. Wait, I thought it was a spray. It says toning mist, but it is clearly not a mist. So you would have to apply it with like a cotton round or a cotton ball. And then the last product, you're gonna get one of 2 different Purifying face masks. So I got the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Sheet Mask. And okay, this is moisturizing and rejuvenating. Definitely something I need. This matcha infused mask perks up my skin in the mornings. Alright, so price is $36 for a pack of 6. It's actually not a bad box. Got 1, 5, 6, 7 products. Okay, I wish I would have gotten the other color in the lip liner because it seems like it's a really good formula. But other than that, yeah, I think this is a good box. They gave you a pretty good variety. You got hair care, you got perfume, you got makeup, you got serum, toner. Yeah, I actually think it's a really good box for 15 bucks. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, now let's get into the Ipsy Plus. So, this month's theme is Full Bloom. So the bag is actually very similar to the bag I received in my regular Ipsy Glam bag. It's just shaped a little bit differently. And the first product is this Foxy Bay Flamingo Leave-In Conditioner. Hair looking dry and dull, this baby will shine things up without any greasiness. Made with biotin. Ooh, this leave-in treatment tames frizz, tangles, moisturizes, and helps hair grow long and strong. Oh my gosh, that is like exactly what I need, especially in a leave-in conditioner. And I love that it is a spray. I don't want to say I hate, but I've kind of come to hate products that you have to work through your hair, just because my hair is thinning and I'm losing so much of it that like whenever I try to put product in my hair, like I'll lose like more hair. All right, this is really big too. This is 8 ounces. Wow. I've never heard of this brand before, Foxy Bay, but the packaging is super cute and I really like what it claims it can do. So this retails for $18.95, which isn't bad either for 8 ounces. So next is this Shayna B Miami Mini Miami Eyeshadow Palette. Consider these 8 shades your spring shadow essentials. This balance of neutrals and bright colors means you can play it safe or go all out depending on your mood. Oh wow. That top row, those colors are actually very unique. I usually don't expect much when I get like a palette in my Ipsy Plus, but I'm really intrigued by that top row, and I like the matte colors in the bottom. Ooh, let me try this one. It's called All Over Nude. And they have little flamingo imprints on them. It's super cute. Ooh, super creamy. All right, let's try one more. Let's try Heat. Ooh. It's really pretty. So this retails for $20. The next product is this Tartiste Double Take Eyeliner in black. Okay. Are there two sides? Oh my gosh, one side is a pencil and the other is a liquid. How cool is that? Oh, I love that idea. Oh, as I just break the tip. God, makes me so mad. Ooh, nice and creamy. And that's super black for like a pencil. Wow. Ooh my gosh, look at that liquid liner. Look how black that is. Ooh, I'm really gonna like you. So this retails for $24. All right. I'm usually not super excited to get black eyeliners, but I'm actually really excited about that one. All right, now we have this Contact Skin Nail Polish Duo in Rocket Queen and Don't Cry. Okay. I really love this gold. This one is Rocket Queen. Here, where did that little piece of paper go? Let me put it on there so you can see. So the gold is Rocket Queen and the other one is Don't Cry. I really like those colors. I'm usually not pleased at all when I get nail polishes, but I really like those colors. And this retails for $30, which is not cheap for nail polish. And the last product are these Starskin VIP Creme de la Creme Instant Recovering Luxury Cream Coating Face in the Diamond Mask VIP. So, okay, so this one is the Creme de la Creme, and this is Instantly Recovering Luxury Cream Coating Face Mask. Okay, and this one is this Starskin VIP, the Diamond Mask, Illuminating Luxury Biocellulose Face Mask. Yeah, that's more like it. Even though I'm not a big fan of sheet masks, but I do use them occasionally, and this would be the one I would use. And then as an add-on, I got this Christopher Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. I received this in an Ipsy not too long ago, but I have oily roots but an extremely dry scalp. So I really like this because it exfoliates my scalp and gets rid of any like dead skin. Okay, let me calculate the retail price. So the total retail value for the box is $122.95. And that does, I mean, even though just barely exceed the value that this is supposed to be. It says $120 plus. So they lived up to what they said, and yeah, it's a pretty decent box. Not like my favorite out of all my Ipsy Pluses, but I think they're all products that I will use. Maybe not that one sheet, maybe not the sheet mask, that's the only thing, but everything else I'm super excited for. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and I love you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you next time.